Yes, homeowners insurance can absolutely cover siding replacement. So we offer both vinyl siding and hardy siding. I've had homes that have been affected by hail, storms, and tornadoes. The hail primarily was on the vinyl siding. The storm was primarily on the vinyl siding. The tornado, I've had a microburst deal where it hit home that had a hardy siding on it and damaged it. I had a customer who had a drunk driver run into their house and they had hardy siding on it. And yes, absolutely, homeowners insurance covers the replacement of that. And they have to replace with like material. It's not like they can go cheap and say, "Oh, you don't get hardy siding here. We're just going to put wood siding back up." No, it's you have replacement cost. If you have a Ford Mustang, they have to get you a Ford Mustang. Well, if you have hardy siding, they have to get you hardy siding. That type of deal. The insurance company won't pay to upgrade you. Just to use an example, if you live in a normal home and your home burns down, they're not going to put you back in a mansion. They're going to put you back in a normal home. But I have had loads of people that had whatever type of siding on their house before. Let's say they had old, inexpensive vinyl siding on their house, and their house got hit by a storm and it's demolished, and the insurance company has given them X dollars towards the siding. But they're like, "We're not doing vinyl siding. We want to go back with hardy siding. We fell in love with it. Our kids have it, our neighbors have it, whatever," and stuff like that. Well, hardy siding is more costly than vinyl siding. But obviously we tell them that there's a cost difference there, and your insurance company will not pay that difference. You have to. But a lot of people were like, "No, I've got a head start here. The insurance company's giving me X. I'll pay the difference, but I just as soon go with that now because I'm only out the difference as opposed to all of it." So we do that all the time.